Introduction. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to my channel. Today, we are diving into the fascinating world of the Internet of Things, often referred to as IoT, and exploring the incredible realm of smart devices. What is IoT? So, what exactly is the Internet of Things? Well, IoT is a concept that's transforming the way we live and work. It's a massive network of interconnected physical objects or things, each embedded with sensors, software, and other technologies. Key components of IoT. Let's break down the key components of IoT. 1. Things, devices. These are the physical objects equipped with sensors and connectivity, like smart thermostats or wearable fitness tracker. 2. Connectivity. IoT devices use various technologies like Wi-Fi, cellular networks, and more to connect to the internet or other devices. 3. Data processing. These devices collect data, process it locally or in the cloud, and data analysis and user interface. Then, data analysis comes into play. Collected data is analyzed using algorithms and machine learning to gain meaningful insights. Users interact with IoT devices through web applications or mobile apps. Applications of IoT. Now, let's explore the exciting applications of IoT. 1. Smart homes. IoT devices make our homes more efficient and convenient, controlling lighting, security, and appliances. 2. Healthcare. Wearable IoT devices monitor our health and enable remote patient monitoring. 3. Smart cities. IoT manages traffic, waste, and the environment, improving urban living. 4. Industrial IoT. In industry, IoT optimizes production, monitors equipment, and enhances efficiency. 5. Agriculture. IoT sensors help farmers monitor soil, crops, and livestock, leading to better yields and resource management. Smart devices. Now, let's shift our focus to smart devices, which are a subset of IoT devices with unique capabilities. Examples of smart devices. Here are some examples of smart devices. 1. Smartphones. These versatile devices connect to the internet, offering a wide range of applications and services. 2. Smart TVs. They stream content, provide access to apps, and even have voice control features. 3. Smart speakers. Devices like Amazon Echo and Google Home answer questions, control your smart home, and play music via voice commands. 4. Smart thermostats. Devices like the Nest thermostat learn your preferences to save energy. 5. Smart appliances. Refrigerators, ovens, and washing machines with internet connectivity can be controlled remotely and provide alerts. 6. Smart locks. Enhance home security by allowing remote locking and unlocking with access control. 7. Wearable devices. Smartwatches and fitness tracker monitor your health and provide notifications and fitness insights. Conclusion. In conclusion, the Internet of Things and smart devices are changing the way we live, from home automation to healthcare and beyond. We hope you've enjoyed this exploration of these exciting technologies. If you found this video informative, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech insights. Thanks for joining us at Technicsy. See you next time.